Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious carne en su jugo. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 2.5 pounds of beef steak, 12 ounces of bacon, 3 cups of pre-cooked pinto beans, 15 tomatillos, 8 chile serranos or jalapenos, 3 yellow jalapenos, 6 barbecue green onions, a quarter of a small white onion, 2 garlic cloves, a handful of cilantro, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so first we're going to start by making our salsa. So we're going to grab our tomatillos, chile serranos, place them in a small pot, cover them with water, and set them at high heat, which is going to bring them to a boil. Okay, so once the tomatillos and chiles have come to a boil, we're going to turn it off, and now we're just going to transfer them into our blender cup. To a blender cup, we're also going to add our cilantro, the piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, oregano, cumin, black pepper, and chicken bouillon, along with 4 cups of water. And now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth sauce. Alright, so once we have our sauce, now we are ready to begin cooking. Alright, so now we're going to grab our frying pan. We're going to set it at medium-high heat, and we're going to wait for it to heat up. Okay. Once it heats up, we're going to throw in our bacon. And just make sure that you chop it. And now we're just going to cook our bacon. Alright, so once we have broken down the bacon, we're going to throw in our onions, along with the yellow jalapenos. And we're just going to cook them all together. Okay, so once our bacon is nice and crispy, we're going to remove it from the oil. Just drain it. And we're also going to remove the peppers and the onions. Alright, so in the same oil, we're going to throw in our meat. And our meat we're going to season it with black pepper and salt. So now we're just going to mix it. And we're just going to brown our meat. Alright, so once our meat has browned, the meat should have let out all of its juice. So at this point, we're going to add our salsa. Just going to mix it. And we're going to bring it to a simmer. All right, so once it comes to a simmer, we're going to try it for salt. For me, it's perfect, but if you need to add some more salt, right now is the perfect time to do it. So now we're just going to add our beans. The grilled onions, along with the jalapenos. And you can also add the bacon. Me personally, I don't like my bacon to be soggy, so I like to just top it. And now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low and cover it. And we're going to let that sit for about 15 minutes. All right, guys, so after 10 minutes, our meat should be fully cooked. So just check it and make sure. So it should be all nice and tender. So just like that, our jugo en su carne is done. So now we are ready to serve. All right, so now we're just going to grab our bowl. Grab a little bit of everything. Make sure you get the juice. That's the best part. So now we're going to start by grabbing our bacon and add as much as you want. Going to add some onion, some cilantro, some radish, and of course, some avocado. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy our delicious carne en su jugo. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready, I'm just going to squeeze some lime juice. And of course, we're missing the tortillas, the cold Coke, but now we're ready. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's still a little hot, but let me tell you guys this, seriously, it's super delicious, perfect for the weather. And for me, it's not too spicy. To me, it's just perfect. Of course, you can always adjust it by adding more chiles or adding less. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make a delicious carne en su jugo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.